Hello, class 7th. How are you? Hope you all are at home, staying safe. But today I am going to start your first chapter from English literature, and the name of that chapter is Tom Sawyer's Gang. Actually, this is taken from a novel, The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn. In this extract, we will read how Tom Sawyer made his own gang and what difficulties they faced while doing this. This whole story is narrated by Huckleberry Finn. So I want you to sit with your books while I read this story. Okay? So be very careful that this is narrated by Huckleberry Finn. Let us start. We went tiptoeing along a path amongst the trees back towards the end of the widow's garden, stooping down so as the branches wouldn't scrape our heads. So we start from there. We went tiptoeing. That means we went on our toes or foot. That means we went very quietly, passing through the trees. Where? To the end of widow's garden. उस widow's garden के end तक हम बड़े धीरे धीरे पहुँचे. When we were passing by the kitchen, I fell over a root and made a noise. We crouched down and laid still. Miss Watson's big helper named Jim was sitting at the kitchen door. We could see him pretty clear because there was a light behind him. Now while we were going, I suddenly fell on a root, and as I fell, I made a noise. And as I made a noise, Jim, who was Miss Watson's helper, means servant, he got up. We could see Jim. Why? Because behind him there was a light. So we could see him easily, but he couldn't see us. Okay, he got up, and what he did? Stretched his neck out about a minute, listening. Then he says, "Huda." So after getting up, he just stretched his neck, and after that he says, "Huda." Da in a native form is there. In native, because they speak very fluently, so in native language for there they are saying da. Main is who is there. He listened for some time, then he came tiptoeing down and stood right between us. We could have touched him nearly. Now he also came tiptoeing. Tiptoeing means, I told you, you're coming, you're walking very quietly and softly. So he came also and stood between me and Tom. There were only two people. One is Finn, that Huckleberry Finn, and one is Tom. He stood between two of us. Well, likely it was minutes and minutes that there wasn't any sound, and we all were there so close together. There was a place on my ankle that got to itching, but I didn't scratch it. And then my ear began to itch, and next my back, right between my shoulders. Now for a few duration, there was no sound. The three characters were there. Tom, then Huckleberry Finn, and then Jim. But there was no noise. Suddenly, the writer got itching. And it happens. Suppose if we are asking all the students, please sit quietly. So you got these type of sensation. When you are told to sit quietly, you got some kind of sensation. Similarly, he got the sensation of itching, but he didn't scratch. But now it began now on ear, then next my back, then right between shoulder. It seemed like I would die if I couldn't scratch. और वो कहता है कि जगह जगह मुझे खुजली होना शुरू हो गया. And I felt that I would die, मैं मर जाऊंगा, if I didn't scratch, अगर मैं खुजली नहीं करता. Pretty soon Jim says, say, who is you? Where is you? And if I started this, तो Jim समझ जाएगा and then he will start putting up the question. Who is you? Where is you? Again, where? The right word is where. And in place of is, there should be are. Right, in native language, in spoken language, it goes on. Then he sat down on the ground between me and Tom. He leaned his back up against a tree and stretched his legs out till one of them almost touched one of mine. After that, Jim sat there only. He leaned his back against the tree. उसने अपनी जो पीठ थी बिल्कुल ट्री से लगा दी. एंड स्ट्रेच हिज लेग, और अपने पैर फैला दिए. और उससे क्या हो रहा था? ऑलमोस्ट टच वन ऑफ माइन, उसका पैर लगभग मेरे पैर को टच करने वाला था. नाउ माई नोज बिगैन टू इच. इट इच्ड टिल tears came into my eyes, but I didn't scratch. Then it began to itch on the inside. Next I got to itching underneath. I didn't know how I was going to sit still. And now his body got stitching from all the sides, from inside, from underneath, on ear, on shoulder. He was unable to control it. Then this miserableness went on as much as 6 or 7 minutes, but it seemed much longer than that. I was itching in 11 different places now. Now, although it passed only 6 or 7 minutes, but I thought it took a longer time. और उसकी बॉडी के लगभग 11 पोजीशंस पे, 11 पार्ट्स पे इचिंग शुरू हो गई थी. I reckon I couldn't stand it more than a minute longer. Reckon means thought. I thought I couldn't stand it more than a minute longer. I couldn't bear it. I couldn't tolerate now. But I set my teeth hard and got ready to try. मैंने अपने दांत यूं दबाए, जितना वो कोशिश कर सकता था उसको कंट्रोल करने की. जब कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया तो what he did, and got ready to try, and he was ready to itch. Just then Jim began to breathe heavy. Next he began to snore, and then I was pretty soon comfortable again. And luckily that time that Jim, first he breathed heavily and then he slept and he started snoring. So now it was comfortable for Huck. Okay. Tom made a sign to me, kind of a little noise with his mouth, and we went creeping away on our hands and knees. Then Tom said he hadn't got candles enough and he would slip in the kitchen and get some more. I didn't want him to try, but Tom wanted to risk it. So we slid in there and got 3 candles, and Tom laid 5 cents on the table for pay. Now when he was sleeping, Tom made a sign and we started creeping. Creeping means हाथ और पैर के बल पे चलना. Suddenly Tom said, यार मेरे पास candles ज़्यादा नहीं है. We need some candles. So he wanted to sleep in the kitchen of Watson and wanted to take some candles. So Huck says, I didn't agree, but Tom took risk and we got 3 candles from there, and Tom laid 5 cents on the table for pay. And Tom put 5 cents on the table as a payment of those 3 candles. That means at least they were very honest. As soon as Tom was back, we cut along the path. Cut along means hurriedly going. तेजी से फिर हमने चलना शुरू कर दिया. कट अलॉन्ग पाथ, पाथ को छोटा किया, मतलब पाथ को आपने छोटा नहीं किया होगा. यू बिगेन योर स्पीड, यू इंक्रीज योर स्पीड ऑफ गोइंग. सो एज सुन एज टॉम वॉज बैक, वी कट अलॉन्ग द पाथ अराउंड द गार्डन फेंस. टॉम सेड ही स्लिप्ड Jim's hat off his head and hung it on a limb right over him, and Jim stirred a little, but he didn't wake. Now while they were going, Tom told them, Tom ने उनको बताया कि मैंने क्या किया, जिम का हैट उसके सर से उतारा और ऊपर एक ब्रांच पे, ट्री की लिम्ब कहते हैं पार्ट, ब्रांच, उस ब्रांच पे लटका दिया. टॉम थोड़ा हिला जरूर, बट ही डिडंट वेक अप, लेकिन वो जगा नहीं. आफ्टरवर्ड्स जिम सेड द विचेस bewitched him and put him in trance and rode him all over the state and then set him under the trees again and hung his hat on a limb to show who did it. और बाद में जिम जो है, जो दूसरों को सुना रहा था, वो क्या सुनाई उसने कहानी कि भाई विचेस, जादूगरनियाँ, bewitch him, उसको क्या कर दिया, अट्रैक्ट कर दिया अपनी तरफ, हिप्नोटाइज कर दिया. एंड पुट हिम इन अ ट्रांस, अरे उसको एक हिप्नोटिक स्टेट में रखा, उसे पता ही नहीं लगा था मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. एंड रोड हिम ऑल ओवर द स्टेट, और उसको पूरे स्टेट का पहले उन्होंने चक्कर लगवाया. एंड देन सेट हिम अंडर द ट्रीज अगेन, और फिर उसको उसी जगह बिठा दिया. एंड हंग हिज हैट ऑन अ लिम्ब टू शो हु डिड इट, और जो हैट था उसका ब्रांच पे रख दिया. ये कहानी उसने क्यों सुनाई, लोगों को बताने के लिए, भाई ये हु डिड इट, ये जो हैट है ये किसने हंग किया इस लिम्ब पर. ओके, वेल व्हेन टॉम एंड मी गॉट टू द एज ऑफ द हिल टॉप, we looked away down into the village and could see 3 or 4 lights twinkling where there were sick folks maybe. And similarly, when they were going, finally they reached at the top of the hill, and from there when they saw their village, only 4 or 5 houses were twinkling, and they simply made a guess कि maybe there are some people who are sick. एक अंदाज़ा लगाया, यार 4-5 घरों की लाइट जल रही थी, बाकी सब सो रहे थे, तो उन्होंने अंदाज़ा लगाया हो सकता है इस घर में कुछ बीमार हो. ठीक है. And the stars over us were sparkling ever so fine, and down by the village was the river, a whole mile broad and awful, still and grand. और ऊपर आसमान में तारे चमक रहे थे. फिर उन्होंने देखा नीचे एक नदी भी बह रही थी, जो क्या थी, होल माइल ब्रॉड, 1 माइल ब्रॉड थी, और ऑफुल, स्टिल एंड ग्रांड, एंड वेरी स्टिल, शांत. पानी शांत कहाँ होता है, जहाँ नदी गहरी होती है. एंड ग्रैंड एंड वेरी बिग. देन दे सॉ अ रिवर विच वॉज 1 माइल ब्रॉड, स्टिल and grand. We went down the hill and found Joe Harper and Ben Rogers and 2 or 3 more of the boys hiding in the old 10-yard. And then when we started going down towards the river, तो हमें 2-3 बच्चे और मिल गए who were hiding in a 10-yard. 10-yard कहते हैं छोटी सी केव जहाँ जानवर रहते हैं. जंगलों में छोटी मोटी गुफा मिल जाती है जहाँ जानवर take shelter. Okay, then so we untied a skiff. Skiff is called boat. So we untied a skiff, pulled down the river 2.5 miles to the big scar on the hillside. Now we untied a skiff, हमने एक स्किफ यानी एक बोट को अनटाइड, टाइड मीन्स बांधना, अनटाइड खोला, पुल डाउन द रिवर 2.5 miles, और 2.5 माइल तक हम उस बोट में गए. टू द बिग स्कार ऑन द हिल साइड, पहाड़ों की तरफ एक चोटी तक हम पहुंचे. वी वेंट अशोर, वहां तक हम गए, उसके किनारे तक गए, एक चोटी के किनारे तक हम पहुंचे. वी वेंट टू अ क्लम्प ऑफ बुशेस and Tom made everybody swear to keep the secret and then showed them a hole in the hill right in the thickest part of the bushes. Then we all started going to the bushes. Bushes क्या हुई? झाड़ियाँ. Clump of bushes, यानी काफ़ी थिक वो झाड़ियाँ थी, काफ़ी थिकली डेंसली वो फॉरेस्ट था या वो जगह थी. एंड टॉम मेड एवरीबॉडी स्वेयर टू कीप द सीक्रेट. और टॉम ने सभी से ये स्वेयर इन करवाया, यानी ये कसम दिलाई कि कोई भी इस सीक्रेट के बारे में नहीं बताएगा. एंड देन शोड देम अ होल इन द हिल राइट इन द थिकेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द बुशेस. और जहाँ पर बुशेस बहुत ज़्यादा थिकेस्ट थी, कुछ दिखता नहीं था, वहाँ उसने एक होल दिखाया. किसने? टॉम ने. Then we lit the candles and crawling on our hands and knees. We went about 200 yards and then the cave opened up. Then we lit the candles. कि पहाड़ में थे, रात में गए थे, मोमबत्ती जलाई. Then crawled in. Crawled means बिल्कुल अपने हाथों और घुटनों के बल चलना, रेंगना एटलीस्ट. ओके, कहाँ तक गए वो? They just crawled up to 200 yards. And after that the cave opened. वो cave जो गुफा आगे खुली हुई थी. Tom poked about amongst the passages and pretty soon dug under a wall where you wouldn't notice that there was a hole. Tom poked. किसी चीज को आप स्ट्राइक करें बार बार, that is poke. Amongst the passages, जो रास्ता था उसमें वो एक एक चीज को पॉक करता गया. And pretty soon dug under a wall where you wouldn't notice that there was a hole. और जल्दी ही एक वॉल के पास डग, थोड़ा झुक के बैठ गया. where you wouldn't notice that there was a hole. और तुम्हें तो पता भी नहीं लगता कि वहाँ पे एक होल था. Tom was familiar with that place. We went along a narrow place and got into a kind of room all damp and sweaty and cold, and there we stopped. और फिर हम एक होल के थ्रू गए, एक रूम में पहुंच गए. वो रूम कैसा था? डैम्प एंड स्वेटी. डैम्प मीन्स गीला, जैसे बरसात में मौसम हो जाता है, कमरों में आप देखें जगह जगह रेन स्प्लैश होता है, थोड़ा डैम्प, गीला गीला सा था. एंड स्वेटी, और पसीना भी आ रहा था. एंड कोल्ड, एंड लाइकवाइज थोड़ा थोड़ा वहाँ कोल्ड भी था. एंड देयर वी स्टॉप, और वहाँ पर हम रुक गए. Tom says, now we will start this band of robbers and call it Tom Sawyer's Gang. Everybody that wants to join has got to take an oath and write his name in blood. Everybody was willing, so Tom got out a sheet of paper that he had written the oath on and read it. Now Tom says, now we will start our gang and we will name it Tom Sawyer's Gang. And everybody that wants to join has got to take an oath. और जो कोई भी इसको ज्वाइन करना चाहता है उससे एक ओथ, एक कसम, एक प्रतिज्ञा लेनी होगी. Everybody was willing, और हर कोई तैयार था. So Tom got out a sheet of paper that he had written on the oath on and read it. So Tom took the paper where the oath was written and he started reading that oath. What was that? It swore every boy to stick to the band and never tell any of the secrets. And if anybody did anything to any boy in the band, whichever boy was ordered to kill that person and his family must do it. And he mustn't eat and he mustn't sleep till he had killed them. बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट कंडीशंस थी. वो कहता है कि जो भी इस बैंड से स्टिक, इस बैंड को ज्वाइन करेगा, he will never share the secret. वो सीक्रेट किसी को नहीं बताएगा. And if anybody did anything to any boy in the band, अगर बैंड में किसी भी ने, किसी भी लड़के ने किसी के साथ कुछ किया, तो विच एवर बॉय वॉज ऑर्डर टू किल दैट पर्सन, तो जिस किसी लड़के को हम ऑर्डर करेंगे कि जाओ उस आदमी को मारो, एंड हिज फैमिली मस्ट डू, और उसकी फैमिली को करना होगा. एंड ही मस्टंट ईट एंड ही मस्टंट स्लीप टिल ही हैड किल्ड देम, और वो जिसको ये ऑर्डर मिलेगा वो ना ही सोएगा ना ही खाना खाएगा जब तक वो अपना टास्क पूरा नहीं कर लेगा। ठीक है जी। टिल ही हैड किल्ड देम एंड हैक्ड अ क्रॉस इन देयर चेस्ट। हैक मीन्स मार्क बनाना, अक्रॉस, एक क्रॉस का मार्क न बना दे उनकी चेस्ट पर, जिसने ये गलती की है, उसकी और उसकी फैमिली को भी। जिसने भी ये गलती की है उसकी चेस्ट पर एक मारने के बाद मार्क भी बनाना होगा। विच वॉज द साइन ऑफ द बैंड एंड दैट क्रॉस विल बी द साइन ऑफ देयर बैंड। एंड nobody that didn't belong to the band could use that mark, and if he did, he must be sued, and if he did it again, he must be killed. कहता one who is not the member of our band, he will not use the cross, and if he use the cross, we will sue him. Sue him means we will take action legally against him, and even then if he did it again, he must be killed. तो उसको मार दिया जाएगा। क्या है, एक तो ग्रुप का मेंबर को सबको कसम खानी होगी, कोई भी सीक्रेट को शेयर नहीं करेगा। अगर किसी ने शेयर किया तो हम किसी एक बच्चे को ऑर्डर देंगे कि जाओ उसको मारो, उसकी फैमिली को भी, और जब तक वो सारा नहीं कर देगा वो खाना नहीं खाएगा, वो सोएगा नहीं। और साथ ही साथ मारने के बाद उसे क्या करना है, ही हैज़ टू मेक अ मार्क ऑफ क्रॉस ऑन हिज चेस्ट। ओके, एंड दूसरा, दिस क्रॉस इज द साइन ऑफ देयर बैंड एंड नो वन कैन यूज अदर देन द मेंबर ऑफ गैंग, एंड इफ ही डज, और अगर कोई ऐसा करता है तो उसके खिलाफ पहले कानूनी एक्शन लिया जाएगा। और कानूनी एक्शन लेने के बाद भी अगर वो करता है तो ही मस्ट बी किल्ड, उसे मार दिया जाएगा। And if anybody that belonged to the band told the secret, he must have his throat cut and then have his carcass burnt up and the ashes scattered all around and his name blotted off the list with blood and never mentioned again by the gang, but have a curse put on it and be forgotten forever. And if anybody that belonged to the band told the secret, अगर किसी ने भी जो इस बैंड से बिलोंग करता है और उसने सीक्रेट बता दिया तो उसकी सजा क्या होगी, ही मस्ट हैव हिज थ्रोट कट, उसका गला काट दिया जाएगा, एंड देन हैव हिज कारकेस बर्नट अप, कारकेस मीन्स डेड बॉडी, उसकी डेड बॉडी को बर्नट अप, जला दिया जाएगा, एंड द एशेस स्कैटर्ड ऑल अराउंड, और उसकी राख जो बचेगी स्कैटर्ड अराउंड, सब जगह बिखार दी जाएगी, एंड हिज नेम ब्लॉटेड ऑफ द लिस्ट विद ब्लड, और उसका नाम लिस्ट से ब्लड से हटा दिया जाएगा, एंड नेवर मेंशन्ड अगेन बाय द गैंग, एंड गैंग विल नेवर टॉक अबाउट हिम बट हैव अ कर्स पुट ऑन इट एंड बी फॉरगॉटन फॉरएवर। नेवर any member of the gang will talk about that person, they will only curse him, blame him and forgotten forever, और हमेशा के लिए उसे भुला दिया जाएगा। Everybody said it was a real beautiful oath and asked Tom if he got it out of his own head. सबने कहा यार वाह क्या अच्छी आपने ये ओथ बनाई, is it from your head, is it your idea? He said some of it, but the rest was out of pirate books and robber books, and every gang that was high-toned had it. उसने कहा कुछ मेरा आइडिया है, some I took from pirate books and some I took from robbers book. और वो कहता है जो भी एक अच्छा गैंग होता है, हाई टोन गैंग होता है, जिसकी एक रेपुटेशन होती है, बड़ा सॉलिड गैंग है, दे ऑल हैड इट, उन सब के पास ये ओथ है। Some thought it would be good to kill the families of the boys that told the secrets. और किसी ने कहा कि यार ये एक और अच्छा आइडिया होगा कि जिसने सीक्रेट बताया उसकी फैमिली को भी मार दिया जाए। Tom said it was a good idea, so he took a pencil and wrote it in. So that idea was good for Tom, that appealed Tom, and he wrote that instruction in that paper of oath. Then Ben Rogers says, here is Huck Finn. He hadn't got no family. What you going to do about him? Now this Huck Finn was living with Mrs. Watson, who was very strict to him. He did not have mother. So the question arises that all the members must have family. But what about Huck Finn? He hadn't got no family. What you going to do about him? इसके बारे में हम क्या करें? इसकी तो फैमिली नहीं है. And that is the condition for being the member of this gang. Well, hadn't he got a father? Says Tom Sawyer. इसके फादर नहीं है, टॉम स्वैन ने पूछा. Yes, he's got a father, but you can't never find him these days. He used to lay drunk with the hawks in the 10-yard. कहता है he had, but he is always drinking. He's a drunken man, and he always found in 10-yard with hawks. 10-yard I told you where the animals take shelter. और अक्सर hawks mean pigs. अक्सर वो पिग्स के साथ वहाँ लेटा हुआ होता है पिए हुए. But he hadn't been seen in these parts for a year or more. They talked it over and they were going to rule me out because they said every boy must have a family or somebody to kill or else it wouldn't be fair and square for the others. अब वो बड़ी देर तक सोचते रहे यार फिर क्या किया जाए. तो उन्होंने they finally decided that we should rule him out. We should took him out from the list. हम हक को नहीं रख सकते क्योंकि फैमिली का होना तो जरूरी है. क्योंकि अगर कोई बच्चा गलती करेगा तो हमें उसकी फैमिली को मारना है. इसकी फैमिली नहीं है तो दैट इज नॉट फेयर एंड स्क्वायर. ये अच्छा नहीं है. दैट इज अनजस्ट. अगर कल कोई गलती करता है हम उसकी फैमिली को मारते हैं और किसी दिन अगर हक ने गलती कर दी तो हम किसको मारेंगे. See what they are planning. Well, nobody could think of anything to do. Everybody was stumped. Stumped means speechless. We have no words to speak. And sat still. Everybody started to think, but they were stumped. उनको कोई आइडिया नहीं मिला. I was almost ready to cry. और फिर हक कहता है मैं रोने ही वाला था. But all at once I thought of a way, and so I offered them Miss Watson. They could kill her. And finally he got an idea. By my guardian is Miss Watson. If I committed any mistake, you could kill Miss Watson. Everybody said, oh, she'll do. That's all right. Huck can come in. And everybody agreed. Okay, Huck could become the member of our gang. Then they all stuck a pin in their fingers to get blood to sign with. And I made my mark on the paper. Then everybody got a pin just to get blood because they had to sign with the blood. And I made my mark on the paper. And Huck said, I also made my mark on the paper with blood. So in this way, they made their gang. The name of the gang was Tom Sawyer's Gang. Is it clear to you? I hope you understood the story. Then I'll send you its question answers also. Till then, take care. Bye bye.